Britain's Somali community is full of young people who are excelling, and the proof is right here in this room. Tonight we see those who've done themselves proud, who've stayed up night after night revising, who've stuck with that tricky subject when it seemed impossible, who spent those extra hours in the library, even when it might have been the last thing you felt like doing. But it's paid off, and you're here tonight celebrating your success. These awards are hugely important. They don't just showcase the talent of British Somalis, they inspire others in the community to follow your lead. So younger people will look at you and think, if they can do it, then so can I. That is thanks to the Somali Youth Development Resource Centre. Now in their 14th year, these awards have gone from strength to strength, and I know they will continue to do so. So well done once again to everyone here. I hope you have a great evening, and I wish you the very best of luck for the future.